So today we're gonna make breakfast smoothie. I don't really eat breakfast, so it's better for me to make smoothie in the morning. Add avocado slices. This is a leftover from yesterday. So sorry for the browning. Then add 4 slices of pineapple, just 4 small cuts. Add frozen spinach leaves. You can also add fresh spinach. Pour the almond milk. This is unsweetened almond milk because I don't take any dairy, so I use almond milk instead. This is a non-dairy and keto-friendly smoothie. And we're ready to blend. It's gonna be noisy. I think this is enough. Shake, shake, shake. Nice. I think I forgot something. Oh, I forgot lemon. I also put lemon juice in my smoothie. So squeeze it a little bit. There. Yeah, and I will mix it again. Continue blending. Sorry for the noise, guys. It's so noisy. It's ready. Enjoy the non-dairy, keto-friendly smoothie breakfast or lunch if you like. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Delicious. Approved.